Or?
Well, usually with SureSteps, we see kids tolerate them incredibly well. Instead of pushing just in a few areas where our skin may not tolerate that much pressure, we're spreading that pressure that we need to straighten that foot up all throughout. So with that compression, we sometimes will see, as soon as you take it off, the foot getting pink or a little bit red, just for a few minutes. It fades very, very quickly.
Yeah, when you talk about the size of the compression, I remember the orthosis that my sister was using when she was little. It was always red and like painful here because it's one of the part of the compression side, and it's very rigid material. It's not very good for her. Yes. And we don't use anymore.
Yes, traditionally braces have been using a plastic that's made out of a rigid copolymer or a rigid polymer like polypropylene. And it's designed to push that foot into what we call subtalar neutral, which is just a nice neutral alignment. Unfortunately, as we walk, our foot needs to move into some pronation and then back into some supination. So we're essentially creating a foot that can't move. Okay. So it's much harder to develop a good walking pattern, and we have to push really hard. And that foot is fighting against that brace. That foot's trying to do what it's designed to do, which is to move as we move. So traditional braces will limit that motion and lead to skin breakdown in some of those areas.